Alright, quick video on the Chrysler Concorde. I'm going to give it a quick recharge. It's just a little low on Freon R134. It's not getting as cold as it used to be. New hoses actually come with gauges and tell you how much you need to put in there, so it's kind of like foolproof. But I'm still using the old style hose. Just gonna hook this up to the low side and get that going. I'll show you how to do that. It's fairly simple on this model here, the 2004 Chrysler Concorde with the 3.5 liter in it. It's right here on the compressor itself. You got H for high side and you got L for low side. So you're going to take off the low side cover, just simply unscrews to the left, counterclockwise, whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to hook up your hose on the low side, which is right here. Yeah, excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed. All right, we're not going to start the Freon yet. What we're going to do now is we're going to actually start the car up, let the engine run for a little bit, turn the AC on, get that going, and then we'll charge it. And that way it'll suck in the Freon. Now you're probably all wondering, how do I know it needs 12 ounces? Because I actually have a manifold gauge tool that I actually put on this car before I picked up the 12-ounce can. And I'm not going to show you that manifold setup and all that, but trust me, it needs Freon. The new setups, you can buy the can with the hose on it with a gauge. So it makes it foolproof. Pretty much if you're in the green on that gauge, you're good to go. You don't need to put any more Freon. You want to make sure you don't overfill these systems because you don't want to overtax the compressor if you don't have to. All right, I'm going to turn the AC on. The engine's already running. And we're going to start charging this bad boy up. All right, once you're done, shut this valve off. All right, once you feel that the can's empty or you put in as much as you want or need, you're going to shut the can off by turning the top valve clockwise. I'm going to go ahead and shut the car down. You're going to pull on this sleeve where it's connected, and there you go. And then you got to put your cap back on. And that's it. Make sure both caps are tight. Put your dipstick back in. You have to take it out just to get it out of the way because it's in the way here. But anyway, make sure that's back and you're all set. Now, one more thing I want to tell you is if your can is still has Freon in it, go ahead and just leave this valve hose assembly still connected to the can. So if you take it off, it's going to leak out because there's a hole in the top of the can now. If the can's obviously empty, you can go ahead and just throw the can out. Start this bad boy up. Nice and cold. Woo! That's more like it, I tell you, more like it. So that's it. Car's been charged. Got nothing more to say here on this one. Car's charged, ready to go for the summer. Like I said, the new gauges or the new hoses you buy like at AutoZone, they actually come with a gauge on them now. So, and it'll tell you, it's pretty foolproof. If I had a gauge to show you, I would. I'd probably do a picture. I'll insert a picture in here because I'm sure I can find one on Google. You guys can get an idea if you want to try this on your own. If you have an older vehicle and it does need a slight charge, I recommend going with the stop leak stuff. Freon with the stop leak stuff. It'll help to seal it. The stuff does work. That's all I got. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. And thanks for coming back if you are a subscriber. I appreciate your support of the channel, and I thank everyone. I wish you all a good, happy day. Bye-bye. Be safe. God bless.